Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are the data types which has a key value pair in it. So there are certain rules to create a dictionary. First of all, dictionary has no indexing. What does that means? Means if we create a dictionary name Ankit, gender male, so once we have created this dictionary, we cannot use indexing on it like d zeroth value. It will throw an error. So first rule is that it cannot have indexes. Second, dictionaries are mutable types. That means it can hold multiple values in it. So if d1 is equal to name, similar way, if I want to create a two-dimensional dictionary in it, as it is a mutable, it will let me create it. Just we need a key value pair in it. So marks, and now I will hold another dictionary in it. '78, maths 52. So it will create this dictionary as it is a mutable data type. So once I press D1, this is created. As you can see, there is a dictionary inside of a dictionary. Now, third rule is that keys are immutable and values are mutable. What does that means? Suppose if I create a dictionary and if I want to give mutable to the keys, like if I provide a list as a key to a dictionary, it will throw an error because keys should always be immutable and values can be mutable. So it says that it's an invalid syntax. Instead, if I produce a tuple over here, it will create this dictionary. This proves that dictionary keys are immutable. Dictionaries keys are immutable and values are mutable. D2 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, which is a tuple. If I give and try to create this, it will create this dictionary. As you can see, D2 is created, which proves that keys are immutable as tuple is immutable and values can be mutable. Similarly, if I put a list over here, it will not let me create this dictionary. It will throw an error. Last rule is key should be unique. You cannot give two same keys in a dictionary. Suppose name is equal to Ankit, comma, another key name is also name, and if I put value is equal to Asha, it will update the latest key with it. As you print it, you can see only Asha is stored as the value in it. So keys should be unique always. So how to create a dictionary? First of all, empty dictionary can be created with the curly braces. This is how we create an empty dictionary. Another way to create a dictionary is to give the key name and value name. Suppose D is a dictionary we want to create. In curly braces, we will provide a key that is name and value to its Ankit. Similarly, gender is a key we have provided and male is a value to it. So once I run it, it will create this dictionary. As I press, it has created the dictionary. Similarly, we can create a two-dimensional dictionary also. Means there in dictionary itself, we will create another dictionary inside of it, like giving a key value pair. So in here in D1 we have given a key name as marks, and in value we have provided another dictionary to it. So once I do it, it will create this dictionary. How to access the values of a dictionary? So to access the values of dictionary, in square brackets we gave the key, it will give the access to that value. So once I provided dictionary name D with a key name, it has provided me value Ankit. Similarly, we can edit also using key name, and now if I provide the value Ankit replaced with Asha, it will change that key value pair. Now if I look at it, the value has been changed to Asha. Similarly, we can add a new key value pair also in dictionary. Suppose in D, if I want to include one new key age and value equal to 40, it will add it. Just we have to provide key in square brackets of the dictionary name with a value, so it will add to it. Once I will look at it, you will see that new key value pair has been added to it. We can also delete particular value from dictionary by using del D, and we will provide the key name. Suppose if I provide age now, it will delete that entire key value pair. Now if I press D, it has deleted that key value pair format. Operations don't work in dictionary. Suppose if I created two dictionary, like above I have created two dictionary D and D1, operators will not work over it. Suppose D plus D1, it will throw an error, unsupported operand types. And we can run a for loop in dictionary for I in D dot keys print I. It will print the values inside the dictionary. So it will print the keys first if I put the keys. So if I put D dot values, it will run a loop over the values of the key, and it will print all the values present inside the dictionary. This is way how for loop works. Now all the function will also work in dictionary. Suppose I put length of D. So there are three key value pairs, so it tell me that it's a 3. Max, min and sorted also will work. So I will show you with the sorted. It will sort according to the alphabetical order. It has sorted the keys. Now there are two more functions to access the values of a dictionary, that is d.keys. If I mention, it will show all the keys present inside the dictionary, and if I put d.values, it will show all the values present inside the dictionary. So thank you guys for this video. We have finished dictionary. Now we will move on to the function in our next upcoming video.